I'm Gina Loves Christmas. Welcome to my Christmas party, AKA the channel for Christmasing. Subscribe so you don't completely jack up your Christmas tree. You did it. You bought the artificial Christmas tree of your dreams. I don't care if the tree was $39 or $1,300. You worked within your budget and you bought the best tree for you. Now, if you don't fluff your tree, it's gonna be an absolute disaster. Unless you know me and I come over and I fix the spectacle before it becomes an absolute issue, and then we just move on like the Christmasers that we are. Don't look at this as a big task. This is an opportunity to connect with your Christmas tree. Gloves are always a great idea, and it's okay if you don't have work gloves. The gloves you wore in New York, you know, that one winter when it was super cold, those ones are gonna work too. Get them out, put them to work. First things first, put the stand where you want it and protect your floor. Put down a towel, a piece of cardboard, whatever you want. Just protect the floor if you need to. My floors are fine. I'm not going to worry about it. The bottom of the tree is always the one with the pointy side. If it's got the point, that's the side that goes in the stand. That's a huge pro tip. That's a huge pro tip. You would be surprised how many people put the wrong part of the tree in the stand, and that also never ends well. Okay, plug your tree in. We have power. We have power. Okay, we're thriving. I mean, my husband usually does this part, but it's fine. I'm doing a great job. He's probably really impressed right now. Okay, we're gonna undo the strand, and now we're gonna fluff our Christmas tree. Why do we fluff our tree? Well, I fluff my tree because I like my ornaments to dance on the branch. And if you don't fluff your Christmas tree, your ornaments cannot dance on the branch. That's all there is to it. I start in the heart of the tree. So after the branches come down, I'm going to go and I'm gonna start lifting them up. And it's like a starburst, a little V pattern. You're really trying to create like that hospitable environment for your ornament to dance in. One at a time, turn on some music that you like, have some wine, make it a moment. You're never gonna regret this. When you start decorating your Christmas tree and it's been fluffed properly, I mean, the heavens are gonna sing. The angels will be like, oh, it's gonna be really great. I guess you're gonna have to trust me on that since you just started fluffing your tree. And that's a perfectly fluffed branch right there. Perfection. And then you'll work right above it. You're gonna work your way around the whole tree. It's not rocket science, it's tree fluffing, but it's a necessary thing, and most people don't do it. And if you don't fluff your Christmas tree, you're not a Christmaser. If you don't fluff your Christmas tree, you're not a Christmaser. Quick connect, that's what this tree is called. When you see something that says quick connect, it means you don't have to look for the plugs. It's a super good idea, and I highly suggest it. It's not necessary. I mean, it's not really that hard to find the plugs, especially if you're looking for them before happy hour, but quick connect is a no-brainer. A little harder to fix, I think. It might be a little harder to fix. Can you see the difference in the fluffing of the tree? My tree and I are connecting right now. I'm definitely becoming one with my Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. The tree also really likes when you sing to it. You've got this. Fluff those trees. Let's make them gorgeous this year. Thank you for Christmasing with me today.